on your feet. It's on Betty's feet.
On Betty's feet. Do you think she's enjoying that carrot?
Yeah.
I see Eliza. Eat again.
She's eating.
She is eating, isn't she? She likes that.
Yeah, she likes that. She ate all day.
Yeah, she ate all of that.
Eliza,
Yeah.
what's the rabbit doing?
Carrot.
What's she doing? Is she eating the carrots?
Yeah.
Does she like carrots?
Yeah.
Do you like carrots, Eliza?
No.
No, I didn't think you would.
What's the rabbit called?
Autumn.
No, yeah. What's her name? What's the rabbit's name?
Hold but
Yeah, you have to hold her bottom.